Question 241. What is your process for developing and managing academic pipelines for content creation? Developing and managing academic pipelines involves defining clear stages for content creation, review, and deployment. I start by mapping out the entire life cycle of a piece of content, from ideation to publication. Utilizing project management tools like Trello or Asana, I assign tasks and set deadlines for each stage. Collaboration is vital, so I ensure that subject matter experts are involved in the review process to maintain quality. Regular status meetings help keep the team aligned and address any blockers. Finally, I analyze the effectiveness of the pipeline periodically, making adjustments based on feedback to improve efficiency and output quality. Question 242. How do you handle conflicts between faculty and production staff during content development? Handling conflicts between faculty and production staff requires effective communication and mediation skills. I start by facilitating a meeting where both parties can express their concerns and perspectives. Active listening is crucial, as it builds trust and understanding. I encourage collaborative problem solving by identifying common goals, such as enhancing student learning. Establishing clear roles and expectations for each group can also mitigate future conflicts. If disagreements persist, I may involve a neutral third party to help mediate the discussion. Ultimately, fostering a culture of respect and collaboration is essential for successful academic production. Question 243. Describe your experience with metadata and its importance in academic content management. Metadata plays a critical role in academic content management, enhancing discoverability and usability of materials. My experience includes creating structured metadata for various types of content, ensuring that it aligns with standards like Dublin Core or IEEE LOM. This allows for efficient searching and retrieval of resources in digital libraries and learning management systems. I also emphasize the importance of consistent metadata practices across teams, providing training and guidelines to ensure adherence. By utilizing metadata effectively, we can improve the user experience for students and faculty, facilitating access to valuable educational resources. Question 244. What tools do you use for managing collaboration among diverse teams in academic production? I utilize a variety of tools to foster collaboration among diverse teams in academic production. Platforms like Slack facilitate real-time communication, while Google Workspace enables collaborative document editing and sharing. For project management, I prefer tools such as Asana or Monday.com, which help track progress and assign responsibilities. Regular virtual check-ins using video conferencing tools like Zoom keep everyone aligned and engaged. Additionally, I promote the use of shared calendars to coordinate schedules and deadlines, minimizing conflicts. This multi-tool approach enhances transparency and accountability, contributing to a more effective production process. Question 245. How do you evaluate the success of an academic production initiative? Evaluating the success of an academic production initiative involves a multifaceted approach. I begin by setting clear, measurable objectives aligned with institutional goals. Post-launch, I gather quantitative data such as student engagement metrics and completion rates to assess performance. Qualitative feedback from students and faculty through surveys or focus groups provides insights into user experience and content relevance. I also conduct comparative analyses against similar initiatives to identify best practices. After a thorough review, I present findings to stakeholders, highlighting successes and areas for improvement. This comprehensive evaluation informs future initiatives and drives continuous improvement. Question 246. How do you ensure the accessibility of academic content for diverse learners? Ensuring accessibility involves adhering to established guidelines such as WCAG, Web Content Accessibility Guidelines. I conduct audits of academic content to identify barriers for learners with disabilities, incorporating features like alt text for images and transcripts for videos. Collaboration with instructional designers and faculty is crucial to creating materials that meet diverse needs. I also provide training sessions for content creators on best practices for accessibility, emphasizing its importance in fostering an inclusive learning environment. Regularly soliciting feedback from students with disabilities allows for continuous improvement, ensuring that all learners have equitable access to academic resources. Question 247. Describe your experience with data analysis in improving academic production processes. My experience with data analysis in academic production involves using analytics tools like Tableau and Google Analytics. I analyze data related to content usage, student engagement, and course completion rates to identify trends and areas for improvement. For instance, if certain materials show low engagement, I investigate factors like accessibility or relevance. By collaborating with faculty, I develop strategies to enhance these resources based on data insights. Additionally, I implement A/B testing for different content formats to assess effectiveness. This data-driven approach ensures that academic production aligns with learner needs and institutional goals, ultimately improving educational outcomes. Question 248. How do you approach change management when implementing new academic systems? Change management is critical when implementing new academic systems. I start with a clear communication plan that outlines the reasons for the change, benefits, and expected outcomes. Engaging stakeholders early in the process helps build buy-in and address concerns. I provide comprehensive training and resources to ensure that faculty and staff are comfortable with the new system. Establishing feedback mechanisms allows for ongoing input and adjustments during the transition. I also monitor the implementation closely, addressing challenges promptly. Post-implementation, I conduct evaluations to assess the effectiveness of the change and identify lessons learned for future initiatives. Question 249. What role does user experience play in your academic production strategy? User experience, UX, is central to my academic production strategy, as it directly impacts how effectively learners engage with content. I prioritize UX by conducting user research, including surveys and usability testing, to gather insights on learner preferences and pain points. Collaborating with UX designers ensures that the interface of learning platforms is intuitive and accessible. I also emphasize the importance of feedback loops, enabling continuous improvement based on user input. By aligning content design with UX principles, I aim to create engaging and effective educational experiences that promote higher retention and satisfaction among students. Question 250. How do you manage budget constraints while ensuring high-quality academic production? Managing budget constraints requires strategic planning and prioritization. I start by conducting a thorough assessment of all production needs, categorizing them by necessity and impact on learning outcomes. This helps identify areas where costs can be reduced without compromising quality. I explore open-source tools and resources, which can provide significant savings while still meeting production goals. Collaborating with faculty and stakeholders to identify shared resources can also lead to cost-sharing opportunities. Additionally, I continuously monitor expenditures and adjust strategies as needed to stay within budget, while ensuring that educational quality remains a top priority. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive. Introducing CloudRoar Cost Optimization, your unified platform for smarter cloud spending across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Cloud costs can grow silently, but CloudRoar gives you full visibility and control. Our engine continuously analyzes usage patterns, instance sizing, and idle resources to uncover hidden savings. With intelligent recommendations powered by real-time data, CloudRoar helps you right-size resources, eliminate waste, and maximize return on every dollar spent in the cloud. Get detailed reports, actionable cost insights, and automation that ensures continuous optimization without compromising performance. Optimize confidently, scale efficiently, and make every cloud dollar count with CloudRoar Cost Optimization. Efficiency meets intelligence. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive.